How to add photo in video in CapCut. So if you want to add photo in video on CapCut, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the CapCut application, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now once you've done this, basically let the app load up. So download the CapCut app, and then I'll just go ahead and skip all this process for now, right? So over here I can simply go ahead and then first of all I'll skip because this is a free app, so I'm getting some ads. So once I've done this, I will just tap on the edit option and I will select new project, and I'll allow the access to my videos, and I'll select a certain video right here. Once I've selected a certain video, let's say I want to add a photo to this video, I can also do that, right? So here you can see a couple of options. I can mute the clip audio or other options as such, but I can also tap the plus option there again. Then I can go to the photo section and add a photo instead. So once I've done that, I have added both the photo as well as the video over here. Now I can drag the photo to the upper part as well if I want to merge them all together. So this way I'll be able to go ahead and then basically add a photo to video on CapCut. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.